Hey, thanks for joining us on Mortgage Question of the Week. My name is Matthias Allred, your local mortgage specialist. Hey, on our program, we typically answer questions about mortgage-related subjects or real estate-related subjects. Lately, we've been hitting the theme of credit scores, credit reports, and credit problems. So if you have questions you'd like us to address, shoot those over to us. You can find the submit a question button on our blog at matthiasallred.com/blog. Hey, today's question comes from Kip, and he actually asks, does paying off a loan early or paying it off quickly hurt your credit score? Okay, great question, Kip. Thanks for sending that in. Paying off a loan early does not affect your credit score. It doesn't violate any of the terms of the agreement that you had on that loan. So you can get those loans if it's a car loan or student loan or even a mortgage and pay that off early. It's not going to affect your credit score. The one thing that credit bureaus do look for is the payment history that you have. And so if you tend to get loans for a very short period of time only, meaning just a month or two at a time and pay those off, that's not going to reflect as well because they don't have a long established history to rate your credit score on. So your credit score might be a little bit more volatile or susceptible to downturns because of derogatory items. Okay, but paying that off early isn't going to affect your credit score. Typically, you have a loan on a long term. That's going to provide a longer history for the credit bureaus, and so it'll help strengthen that credit score as far as the depth of your credit history. Okay. The other thing to do is if you have revolving accounts like credit cards, department store cards, and so forth, do not close those out. You want to maintain a couple of credit cards or a couple of accounts on file. You don't necessarily have to carry a balance and don't have to use those and pay interest on them, but keep them open because the length of history that you have on your credit report is going to help your credit score as well. So, hey, we appreciate those tips. Thanks for joining us on Mortgage Question of the Week. Like I say, if you have a question you want to send over to us, hit the Submit a Question button on our blog. If you're not on our blog, jump over there and check it out, matthiasallred.com/blog. Hit the Mortgage Questions button. We've got a lot of archives out there and might be able to help you answer some of the questions you have when it comes to mortgage or real estate. So, hey, appreciate you guys. We'll talk to you next time.